This is Shenzhen, China, and I just got my hands on the brand new Insta360 Luna Ultra. On the very first day of its official launch, this video contains some of the very first footage I shot with the camera. And what better place to test it than the streets of Shenzhen itself? For this test, I wanted to try one feature that immediately caught my attention: the zoom. I've used pocket cameras before. I've used action cameras before. But one thing that was always missing was a useful zoom function. The Luna Ultra promises up to 6x optical zoom and up to 12x digital zoom. So I decided to take it out into the city and see how it performs in a real-world environment. What you're watching right now is completely raw footage. There are no filters, no special effects, and no color grading. This is exactly how the camera recorded the scene. I'm still learning all the advanced features of this camera. I haven't even started experimenting with Pro mode yet. So this video is less about technical perfection and more about showing you what the camera can do straight out of the box. Let me know what you think of the image quality, the colors, the stabilization, and of course, the zoom performance. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. By the way, the area you're looking at right now is Huaqiangbei, located in the heart of Shenzhen. Huaqiangbei is widely considered the world's largest electronics marketplace. If it's electronic, there's a very good chance you can find it here. Mobile phones, computer parts, drones, cameras, electronic components, smart gadgets, and thousands upon thousands of accessories. Buyers from all over the world visit this district every year. Many new gadgets appear here long before they reach international markets. For technology enthusiasts, this place is almost like a pilgrimage site. Shenzhen itself has a fascinating story. Just a few decades ago, this was a relatively small fishing village. Today, it is one of China's most advanced and innovative cities. Many people call Shenzhen the Silicon Valley of China, and for good reason. The city has become a global center for electronics manufacturing, technology development, artificial intelligence, and robotics. In recent years, Shenzhen has also emerged as one of the world's most important hubs for robot manufacturing. Many of the robots you see in videos online are designed or built right here. And now, let me show you one of the most recognizable shopping destinations in Shenzhen, Kingglory Plaza. Located in the city center, Kingglory Plaza is known for its premium retail stores, restaurants, entertainment options, and modern urban design. It has become a popular gathering place for both locals and visitors. One thing I enjoy most about Shenzhen is how quickly the city changes. Every visit reveals something new, a new building, a new technology, a new product, or a completely new experience. As I continue exploring the city with the Luna Ultra, I'll be sharing more footage from different parts of Shenzhen, including technology markets, trade fairs, shopping districts, and of course, I'll also be bringing you more videos from my beloved city of Hong Kong, a place I've proudly called home for many years. If you enjoy videos about China, technology, wholesale markets, gadgets, and unique places that most people never get to see, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.